when a child is born, when a delivery takes place in a health center, one of the critical documents that the Social Health Authority will require, apart from the claim form, is called birth notification. It's good, Senator Khalwale listens to me. You know, he's a doctor, and I want him to go and say it at home. Yes. No, the whole of Kakamega County. Honorable Speaker, that document of birth notification is one of the documents that must be provided with a claim for SHA to reimburse that delivery, reimbursement of 10,000 or even for 30,000 for cesarean. When you don't submit a birth notification document, whether a child has been born or not, the question lingers. That claim becomes not payable. For example, again, and I am sure Dr. Khalwale and the many doctors in the house will agree with me, if you perform surgery, any procedure, and you want to do a claim, and the claim form is a legal document, and you have not attached theater notes, SHA will not pay you. Because that is not an evidence that even a surgery has taken place within a theater. But more importantly, we have discovered, even against the WHO rules, a facility reporting that all the 300 or 200 deliveries that took place in that health facility were all through C-section. These are the kind of things the system is picking. We have picked where facilities have turned their healthcare workers into patients, where patients have been told, and that's why we stopped the 1 month contribution.